와닿지 못해 나의 맘속에 생각이 나.
We were going to Bangladesh and we were trying to catch the flight. We landed really safely, and here are some clips.
와닿지 못해 나의 맘속에 생각이 너무 많네. 문제야 문제 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사람 노래가 와닿는 문제 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사람 노래가 와닿는 문제 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사람 노래가 와닿지 못해 나의 맘속에 생각이 너무 많네. 문제 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사람 노래가 와닿는 문제 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사람 노래가 와닿는 문제 온 세상 속에 똑같은 사람 노래가 와닿지 못해 나의 맘속에 생각이 너무 많네.
We arrived safely and now we're going home by car. This was the view of Dhaka outside our car and it looked so amazing. It was really congested and I couldn't really record that much. This was the view outside our house and it was just so beautiful. Here we were at the rooftop and the sky just looked so nice. We were shopping for some new clothes and here was the view outside. The sunsets in Bangladesh was so pretty. Today my great grandma, she invited us for lunch and we were just going to her house. Everyone had a really great time, and so did I. Today we went to Dhaka's biggest shopping mall, and here are some videos I took.
Hey yo.